What is 0.2% as a fraction in simplest form, reduced form, or log? We need to convert this percentage to fraction. You can rewrite this. Percent means 1 over 100. Now multiply. Okay, 10, 100, these are power of 10. To divide a decimal by power of 10, just count the number of zeros and move the decimal from left to right equal to that number of zeros. So 2 places, 2 digit, decimal point will move 2 places. There is no digit here, so here you have to consider a placeholder digit. So decimal 002. You can add one more 0 to mean that this is less than 1. Now convert this decimal to fraction. How to do that? We need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just write the number skipping decimal, and for denominator, for every digit after decimal you have to write 10, 1 to 3, so you have to write 310 as a multiplication. These 3 digit don't have any value. Now you need to reduce. How to do that? Just divide numerator and denominator by the common factor. This is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 2. You will get 5, you will get 1. Now write 1 divided by 1 times 1, 1 at 0, 5. So 5 times 1, 5 at 0. So the common factor between 1 and 500 is just 1, because 1 has only one factor, which is 1. So this is the simplest form, lowest term, or reduced form.